Today we will revise the topic of the environment and pollution, which is in the third unit, and the syllabus of the environmental pollution of the third unit is given here. Environmental pollution, cause, effects, control measures of the air pollution. What are the different type of the pollutants we will discuss today? And what are the sources? What are the effects? What are the sink and control of the primary pollutants? CO, NOx, HOx, SOx, and particulates. Effect of the pollutant on man and environment, photochemical smoke, and CO2 sequestration. So this is the topic of the unit third of the environmental pollution. Now we are discussing about the air pollution. We will discuss here. And we are finding that around 33,000 deaths in the 10 Indian cities are due to the air pollution annually, which is a major figure due to the air pollution. And Delhi records 12,000 deaths per year for the particulate matter exposure due to the air pollution. Particulate matter causes severe health issues, including the respiratory and cardiovascular disease in Delhi. Major problem are shown here. What are the problems due to the air pollutions are here in Delhi? And due to the air pollution, grade 3 restriction in the Delhi have been allowed. Grade 3 restrictions in Delhi is allowed due to the air pollution.
सर अटेंडेंस लगाओगे?
हाँ, अटेंडेंस लगेगा वो जो है. Delhi's average quality index reading stood at 424. That is the severe AQI, severe problem of the Delhi, and slightly from the 418 reported a days earlier, according to the Central Pollution Control Board. IQR, a Swiss air quality technology company, has placed Delhi at the top of the world's most polluted major city. And Delhi has the worst quality of the air in the country. Hence, the grade 3 restrictions have been added in Delhi. What is the grade 3? Either it is shown here. What is the grade 3 is here, is shown here. The graded response action plan serves as a structured approach to address the air pollution of the Delhi according to the severity in the situation. According to the grade, the 4 stages of air quality is divided. Stage 1, poor, between 201 and 300. Stage 2, very poor, 301 to 400. And stage 3, severe, 401 to 500. And stage 4, severe plus, if the AQI is the 450. Hence, In Delhi, air pollution is the too much. This is the grade 3 stages. Stage 1. This color code is showing 201 to 300. Poor quality of the grape stages is there. Stage 2, very poor, 301 to 400. Stage 3, severe, 401 to 500. And stage 4, 451 and above. This is the grape stages which is shown here. And health statement of the AQI standard have been shown here. 0 to 50, that is the good. Minimal impact. 51 to 100, that is the satisfactory. Hundred one set to 200, moderate. 201 to 300, poor. 201 to 400, very poor. And 400 to 500, very severe. Now, Delhi is falling in this region, affects the health people and severely impacts those with the existing disease. What are the restrictions in Delhi due to grade 3 have been shown here? A complete ban on the construction activity. Every construction activity in Delhi is banned. No construction activity will be taken place. Plying of the BS3 petrol and BS4 diesel four-wheeler are prohibited. Major construction activity, including the earthwork, piling, trenching, and open air operation of ready-mix concrete plants are prohibited. And the transport of the construction material like sand, cement is also restricted, with vehicles required to avoid unpaved routes. This is the restriction under grade 3 of Delhi. Grade 3 is implemented in Delhi due to the severe air pollution in Delhi. For Delhi, the recommendation is that the government take immediate measure to reduce the presence of the deadly substance from air circulating in cities. Government has to be take immediate preventive measure. Immediate preventive measures and what the Delhi government has to plan. Set a vehicle to the grid technology, transition to the zero emission bus fleet by the 2035 to 2040. Vehicle to grid technology to be implemented in Delhi. Repurpose petrol stations, parking lots, and the lamp posts to create the charging site and battery swapping station. That is to be done in Delhi. Here now we giving the definition of the environmental pollution. This is the definition of the environmental pollution given by the ODM. Pollution is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, land, and water that is likely to harmfully affect the human life and other species, including the raw material resources. Pollution has been defined by the Edward, the release of the substances or energy into the environment by man in quantities that damage either his health or the natural resources. This is definition given for the pollution. The introduction by the man of the waste matter or surplus energy into the environment, which directly or indirectly causes the damage to the man and his environment. This is the definition of the environmental pollution. What are the pollutants which are affecting the Delhi? What are the harmful substances which are shown here? Harmful substances which are released into the atmosphere of the Delhi ecosystem are called the pollutants. These substances include the gases, particulate matter, radioactive substances, etc. Gases pollutant include oxides of the sulfur, oxides of the nitrogen, carbon monoxide, volatile organic compounds, and particulate pollutants include smoke, dust, fumes, liquid drops, etc. They are the pollutants by which the Delhi get polluted, and they are the pollutants from which the Delhi is to be.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
सर बच्चे कह रहे हैं आप एंट्री नहीं दे रहे उनको.
They are the pollutants are there. They are the pollutants of the Delhi pollution is given there. Other pollutants are the heavy metals, pesticide,
Okay, sir.
weedides, fungicides, fertilizers, radioactive substances, and sewage. Radioactive pollutants include the radon, iodine, strontium, and plutonium. They are the pollutants which are making air pollution in Delhi. They are the biodegradable and non-biodegradable pollutants of the Delhi. The pollutants of Delhi are divided into the two criteria: biodegradable pollutants and non-biodegradable pollutants. Pollutants which can be decomposed are known as the biodegradable pollutants, and some examples are the sewage, refuse, heat, noise, etc. They are the biodegradable pollutants are there. Non-biodegradable pollutants that cannot be decomposed by the natural process are called the non-biodegradable pollutants. Once these pollutants contaminate the atmosphere, it becomes very difficult to remove the non-biodegradable pollutants are the DDT, polythene bags, soft drink cans, plastic bottles. These are the non-biodegradable pollutants are there. And air pollution can be defined as the presence of the one or more impurities like dust, mist, smoke, and color in the atmosphere that are harmful to the human beings. Air pollution indicates the contamination of the atmosphere that causes harm to the living organism and the environment. This is the composition of the air, natural composition of the air, which have been shown here. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. These are the sources of the air pollution. Volcanic eruptions are the sources of the air pollution, forest fires. Now in the case of the Delhi, Parali is burnt in the Haryana and Punjab. These are the region of the air pollution of the Delhi. Biological decay, pollen grains, sea salt sprays, photochemical oxidation of the organic compounds, pollen grains of the flowers. These are the natural sources. Radioactive substances present in the earth are the sources of the radioactivity in the atmosphere. These are the artificial or man-made sources of the air pollution. Thermal power plants, Badarpur thermal power plant, Okhla thermal power plant of Delhi is producing too much pollution. Emission from the vehicles is the major source of the air pollution in Delhi. Industrial units, many of the industrial units of Delhi is polluting the Delhi too much. Burning of the fossil fuels and the agriculture activity. These are the sources of the air pollution of the Delhi. Thermal power plant are the major source of the generating electricity in India. These plants emit two main pollutants, sulfur dioxide and the flies. Okhla power plant or Badarpur power plant are producing sulfur dioxide and the flies. Fertilizer plant, smelters, textile mills, refineries, chemical industry, paper and pulp mill industry are the other sources of the pollution of Delhi. These are the major sources of the air pollution of Delhi. Automobile exhaust is another major source of the air pollution. Automobile releases gases such as the carbon monoxide, oxide of the nitrogen, unburnt hydrocarbon, and suspended particulate matter. Automobile exhaust of Delhi is the major source of the air pollution of the Delhi, that the government of the Delhi has to be remain control on these sources of the air pollution and reduce the air pollution of Delhi. These are the classification of the air pollutant. Primary pollutants, secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are those that are directly emitted in the atmosphere and harmful. That is the CO, NO, SO2, benzofuran, NS3, lead, automobile exhaust. These are the major classification of the air pollution in Delhi. Secondary pollutants are those that are formed by the reaction of the primary pollutants with other components of the atmosphere. Especially such reaction may take place in the presence of the sunlight. Examples are the ozone, peroxyethyl nitrate, H2SO4, HNO3, aldehydes. These are the secondary pollutants. These are the secondary pollutants. These are the causes of the air pollution of Delhi. Excess use of the pesticide in the agriculture, dust from the agriculture practices, and burning of the crop residue in the fields. That is called parali in the Haryana and Punjab. Burning of the parali in Haryana and Punjab are responsible for air pollution due to the agriculture activity. Dust storms, wind, volcanoes, automobiles. Automobiles is the major source of the air pollution in Delhi. And dust are the causing air pollution. Combustion of the fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, cement dust poisonous gas, all causes air pollution. These are the causes of the air pollution of Delhi. Another causes of the air pollution of the Delhi are the gases released due to the burning of the petrol and diesel in automobiles cause the air pollution of Delhi. The testing of the atomic weapons cause air pollution due to the release of the radiation, alpha particle, beta particle, and gamma rays in the air. Solvent used in the perfumes and the refrigerants like chlorofluorocarbons cause air pollution by depleting the ozone in the stratosphere. These are the causes of the air pollution. Other causes of the air pollution are the fine solid particles of the liquid droplets suspended in the air are known as the aerosol. They block the stomata of the plants, inhibiting gases exchange between plants and the atmosphere. Aerosols in the atmosphere are also supposed to bring the climatic changes in the planet. These are the causes of the air pollution. Common air pollutants are the carbon monoxide. It is a highly poisonous gas which is colorless and the odorless. It is formed by the incomplete combustion of the wood or fossil fuels. Main sources of the carbon monoxide is incomplete burning of the fossil fuels. Carbon monoxide gas inhibits the ability of the red blood cells to carry oxygen to body cells and the tissue. This leads to the headache and anemia at the higher level and cause coma and the death. These are the common air pollutants are there. Nitrogen dioxide. It is the one of the common air pollutant. This is the reddish brown irritating gas that causes photochemical smoke. Nitrogen oxide creates the photochemical smoke in early part of Delhi. In the atmosphere, it gets converted into the nitric acid. It is caused by burning of the fossil fuels in industry and the power plant. Health effects include lung irritation and damage. Environmental effects include acid rain leading to damage of the tree, lakes, soil, and the ancient movement. Acid rain takes place due to the nitrogen dioxide. They are the sulfur dioxide is the common air pollutant. It is a colorless gas that is formed by the combustion of the sulfur containing fossil fuel, especially coal and the diesel oil. In the atmosphere, it is converted into the sulfuric acid, which is a major component of the acid rain. Health effects involve breathing problems for the healthy people. Environmental effects include smoke formation and acid deposition on the trees, lakes, soil, and the monument due to the sulfur dioxide. This is the common air pollutant of Delhi. Suspended particulate matter. In Delhi, this is more than 2.5. Suspended particulate matter. Hence, the droplet that can be suspended in the atmosphere for the long period are the suspended particulate matter. Suspended particulate matter are formed due to the burning of the coal in the power plant, burning fossil fuels in the vehicles, and agriculture activity and the construction activity. Health effects include nose, throat irritation, lung damage, and bronchitis, asthma, reproductive problem, and the cancer. These are the common air particulates. Ozone is a highly reactive gas with a typical odor. It is present in the stratosphere for 20 to 25 kilometer thick layer, and it protects the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Tropic ozone is a pollutant. Tropic ozone is formed by the reaction between volatile organic compound and nitrogen oxides. Ozone. Lead is highly toxic metal. It is compound or the mainly emitted into the atmosphere particulate matter through the automobile exhaust. Other sources are the paint, metal refinery, lead manufacture, storage battery, leaded petrol, and the health effects are shown here. Chromium. It is a toxic metal emitted into the atmosphere as a particulate matter. Paint, smelter, chromium manufacture, chromium plating, these are the common air pollutant. So today, what are the common air pollutants are there? What are the sources of the air pollution of Delhi? And we are discussed about that. आज जो प्रेजेंट है उसको एक्स्ट्रा अटेंडेंस के रूप में आपको दे देंगे. जो प्रेजेंट है मैं आपका उसका नाम बोल देता हूं. आदित्य शर्मा है. आदित्य शर्मा जी प्रेजेंट है. विकास जी प्रेजेंट है. विक्रम शर्मा जी प्रेजेंट है और विक्रांत जी प्रेजेंट है.
यस सर. यस सर.
हाँ, तो यही 4 स्टूडेंट. हाँ, 4 स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट हैं. इनको मैं कभी एक्स्ट्रा अटेंडेंस दे दूंगा. और ये 4 जो हैं हमें लग रहा है कि ऐसे भी जो आपका बीबीए थर्ड का बैच है यही चारों बच्चे सबसे ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी है ना. आदित्य शर्मा जी सेक्शन बी के और विकास जी भी, विक्रम शर्मा जी भी सेक्शन बी के हैं. ये सारे आपको एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बच्चे हैं कॉलेज के. इनका मैं आपको विक्रांत जी भी सेक्शन सी के हैं, वो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी है. इनका मैं स्पेशल ध्यान रखा करूंगा.
ओके सर.
है ना. तो दिल्ली में जो एयर पॉल्यूशन हो रहा है उसी के बारे में आज हमने डिस्कस किया. व्हाट आर द रीजन फॉर द दिल्ली एयर पॉल्यूशन, व्हाट आर द काउजेज, व्हाट आर द सोर्सेस. उसी के बारे में दिल्ली में आपको ग्रैप 3 आपको लग गया है. ग्रैप 3 रिस्ट्रिक्शन इन दिल्ली में आपको लग गया है. पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने लगा दिया है. और AQI आपको 420 जा रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा सीवर है. और दिल्ली में एयर पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल करने का आपको जरूरत है ना. तो
यस सर.
हाँ, तो आदित्य शर्मा जी आपको मार्क्स मिल गया ना.
यस सर, मिल गए.
हाँ, वो सबका मार्क्स जो है वो क्लियर कर दिया है. आप अब जो है आपको लग रहा है कि किसी बच्चे का अब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
यस सर, मिल गए थे सर.
हाँ, तो अब कोई आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, है ना.
दीपक के
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कल मिल गए थे नंबर.
हाँ. तो आज लेक्चर यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं. आज तो एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर मैंने ले लिया था कि देखते हैं कौन कौन बच्चे आ रहे हैं. ये वीडियो बना करके हम ग्रुप में डाल देंगे.
यस सर. यस सर.
हाँ, ठीक है.
ओके सर.
ओके सर. बाय.
ओके सर. बाय.
बाय
बाय.
बाय सर. बाय.
थैंक यू सर.